This is the iPhone 16 Pro, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at this mobile video kit created in collaboration with Smallrig and Brandon Li. If you're looking to level up your iPhone video, then this is a good place to start. So let's get into it. To start with, you get this pouch that you can put all the accessories I'll show you in the video in if you want to have them in one place while you're traveling around. One of the core essentials of this whole kit is this modular phone case. Going over the essentials, this case is MagSafe compatible and has decent MagSafe strength. On the left is a mounting point for a lanyard and some semi-attached buttons that are all clicky and responsive. On the right side is your side button, a cutout for the camera control button, and a little Smallrig logo. Looking at the bottom, you have nice cutouts for your microphone, charging port, and speaker. And then looking at the back, this is where the case gets pretty interesting. The panel on the back is made of vegan leather and is soft and grippy to the touch. Down at the bottom, you'll notice this groove, which is how the phone connects with one of the first accessories we'll take a look at, which is the capture grip. This capture grip has a locking mechanism, which is what pushes into that groove and holds this onto the case. The capture grip makes holding onto the phone similar to holding onto a camera. It helps give you easy access to the camera control button, and in general, makes holding onto the phone taking pictures a more comfortable experience. Inside the box, you get 3 different attachments for the camera ring. This first option just gives the case a regular camera ring. This definitely gives plenty of space and protection for your camera lenses. Sliding that off, let's take a look at the next option. Connecting this plate gives you the option to use T-series lenses for Moment. I don't have any with me, but I'll show some now on screen. The Moment lenses are a really great option that help enhance the great cameras that are already on your phone. And this third camera ring accessory allows you to attach filters to the case. Using this, you can attach the included variable ND filter. This ND filter feels super smooth and goes all the way from ND2 all the way up to 400. Having the ability to go from 2 all the way to 400 is going to cover you for pretty much any scenario you would run into, including really bright sunny days. Now before we go putting the phone in the full cage, I do want to show you the bumper that's included. Using this bumper just allows your phone to stay a bit more cool and still gives you the ability to use the capture grip. If you aren't planning on using any extra camera add-ons, note that this bumper allows you to put your phone in the included cage. To put your phone in the cage, you'll first need to pull down on this button here to unlock it. You'll just put your phone in right side first, push it in, and slide it down. And then press this button here to lock it in. With the cage installed, you have access to all the buttons on the left side of your phone and access to the side button on the right side of your phone. The only button you do lose access to is the camera control button. Looking around this cage, you have 3 cold shoe mounts, which you could use to attach accessories like a professional sounding microphone. Now let's switch over to the case so you can see what this kit would look like with everything installed. Included in the box are these dual rotating handles. The top of each of these handles can actually be removed and gives you the option to have another cold shoe mount. In the bottom of each handle is an included Allen key that you can use to make adjustments to each handle. It's really nice that you have these accessible to you. I personally find that this Allen key is just a little tricky to get out. I definitely have to dig for it with my fingernails. Included on the top one of these handles is a Bluetooth button that connects to your phone and triggers your shutter button, or could also be used to start and stop your recording. You can attach these handles to 4 different sides of the cage, meaning that you have a lot of options and flexibility depending on what you're filming that day. So that's a look at the mobile video kit from Smallrig in collaboration with Brandon Li. If you're looking to level up your iPhone video and you'd like to purchase this, I'll leave links in the description and any discount codes that I can find. Thanks for hanging out with me. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you again.